Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just fix if add yours feature is not working on Instagram. So for that you have to just go to your settings and then you have to just go to the general over here, and after that you have to just search for Instagram, and after that you have to just go to the storage and you have to just delete all your data or your cache data, and this way you can just clear all your memories or your storage and it will just delete the bug of that particular thing. Another thing which you can do is just go to the Play Store and over here just search for Instagram and see whether your Instagram is been updated or not. Another thing which you can do is you can just see whether your Wi-Fi is working properly or not, and if it is not working properly you have to just switch to your cellular data. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.